Hey, I'm Guy Cordell, founder and CEO of Intelligent Design Manufacturing. We're here today to introduce the X-Scrub Rider 40 Cylindrical. It's a 40-inch, 100-gallon, 36-volt ride-on auto scrubber. This unit's going to be an all-electric, no hydraulics battery unit. So you can get up to an 800 amp hour, 5-year warranty lithium battery that'll give you a 9-hour runtime. This unit's great for your distribution center, for parking garages, or large areas that you have to clean with lots of water and debris removal. This unit has an auto touch button on it that allows all the functions to come on. So that turns on the brushes, the water flow, and the vacuum. And from there, you can adjust the water flow, you can adjust the brush pressure, and of course, the machine speed. This unit is designed to take the abuse, it's designed to last, and it's reliable for you. The X-Scrub 40 Cylindrical machine features dual 36-volt vacuum motors. Now, we're trying to do everything we can to protect those vacuum motors. We've got an electronic float switch here, so if the dirty water gets so high, it's gonna electronically turn off those vacuum motors. We've got a foam washable filter here that you can protect those vacuum motors with. We've got a heavy-duty stainless steel debris tray. This is going to catch all the heavy debris so it doesn't go into the vacuum motors or into the recovery tank. We've got a heavy-duty steel bumper on the back of the machine to protect the machine if somebody backs up to something they're not supposed to. And then we've got a stainless steel squeegee assembly that's going to pick up bone dry the first time off the floor. If you'd like to see a demo of this unit at your facility today, give us a call or scan the QR code below. We'd love the opportunity to earn your business.